Hey, first grade. Okay, so this is just a really quick video to kind of help you guys navigate the OLS kind of from this point forward. We, as the first grade teachers, all know that you, as the learning coaches, are well aware of how to do the addition that we're doing right now. The reason we are making this video is because they are asking you to do it in kind of a different way, and it can be super confusing and crazy frustrating. So that's why we're just kind of making this to kind of help you guys, like I said, navigate and make sure, even though you know the right answers, to put them in the right order, because that is ultimately what they're wanting you to do. Okay, so knowing that we are working on doubles, we just kind of started that today, but regardless of when you listen to this, we're working on doubles. Okay, so you have to put your brain in that mode. Okay, so we know that there's a 3. It's 3 plus 5. 5 is the only number that they're wanting you to break down, right? So when you break that down, the only choices you have to break that down are these numbers down here. Okay, so anything down here that will make a 5 is what you're going to have to put into those squares. All right, the two numbers that make a 5 are 2 and 3. Okay, so that's going to be your first job. So you will need to put the 2 and the 3 up there, but they have to go in the right order. So remember, you're doing doubles. All right, so you have to come back up here to remember that one little number that is all by itself. That's the number you're going to make a double with. So because you're doing a 2 and a 3 to equal the 5, you've got to put a number close to the 3 that will make a double. So that would be the 3, okay? And then the other number down here that equals the 5, put that there. Okay, so now if you really look at it, your problem now says 3 plus 3, that's a double, which is what they're wanting you to do. So 3 plus 3 would be the 6 plus 2 more, and so that would equal the 8. And so that is how you do that. That's the order that you do that. You've got to think in terms of doubles, okay? So let's just check. Yay, I got it right. But
you broke up 5 to make...
I'm going to pause that. But that's how you do that. If you are still needing help, still have questions, not a problem. Reach out to your teacher, and we will be happy to help you with that.